Hi guys, this is another analysis video on my channel, a trend. I hope you guys take a look to this channel, see the previous analysis, see the previous learning videos, learning lessons, and why not subscribe the channel so I can keep doing more of these videos. If you haven't seen the last analysis, it's about the Eurusd, the pound, dollar, and the gold. I think you guys should watch it. I'll put a link up on this video. Without further ado, let's go to our analysis of this video. Will be on the euro, 3 pairs of the euro. We have pair number 1, the euro Kiwi dollar, or the euro New Zealandian dollar. We have the euro Japanese yen, and we have the euro Canadian dollar. So we start with the euro Kiwi dollar. As we can see, this is a daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. The euro New Zealandian dollar was on the downtrend on the last weeks, since a month ago, I guess. Since a month ago, since the 30 days has been on downtrend with a compression. Before that, we've seen a nice momentum, nice bullish momentum. Our first pattern to spot our trading areas, our first pattern is the MPL, the max pain level. So as we can see, we have this low, this clear low to this high, and we have this low, and we have this high which is engulfs the previous high, and then we have this low which engulfs and breaks the previous low, and we have this momentum up. So this is our, as we can see, this is our MPL. Exactly, this is the MPL level, max pain level. So we draw this area right here. I hope the price will go here to spot some buy positions. As we can see, also we have this this Quasimodo. Let me clear it. We have this Quasimodo pattern. Okay, let me just clear it for you guys. So this is a level low, a clear low. Okay, you can make it here or here. It's okay. We have this high. The price go up to this daily high. Okay, and bounce down to break the previous low to this lower low, and we have here our high, a clear daily high. So we draw our Quasimodo level. Yes, oh nice. We can see that he combines with perfectly with the MPL, with the max pain level. Let me make it gold. color. As we can see, this is a strong area to trade with. As we can see also, we have this strong daily resistance that combines with this supports to give us a nice scale level. As they said, I'd like to call it the SR flip, the support resistance flip. Okay, this is SR flip. Sorry, this is the SR flip. SR clear flip. This is the first support, second, third, with a fake out. So yes, this is fake out zone, but traders get bad results trading either high, either buys or sells. I'll make it red, as you can see, guys. Okay, this is a nice, really nice strong setup for the Euro New Zealandian dollar. I hope you guys pay attention to it in the next days when the price go here. Okay, let me draw this. So we assume the price go here, it will bounce back up, first of all to this level, second of all to new higher high. Why this? Because we have here a nice key level. Okay, as you can see. So this is a nice setup. As we can see, also we have this trend here, compression. Okay, nice setup, strong area that we draw right here. Okay, we go now to the Euro Yen. Also, the Euro Yen has a similar setup, similar situation to the Euro Kiwi dollar, Euro New Zealandian dollar. See, we have our Quasimodo right here, this gold line right here. This is Quasimodo level. We have this. Okay, we draw it. One, we have low, we have high that breaks the previous high, and we have low that breaks or even with the previous low, that gives us a nice MPL, nice maximum pain level. So this area that I draw right here is a nice area to trade in. See, the price will bounce from here. Before that, we need to see much more of this downtrend, maybe this higher, maybe like that. Okay, do we have here as our flip as the previous pair? I don't know. We have nice resistance here, support, as you can see. We expect another touch right here, another touch before breakout. Okay, this is just probabilities that we hope price take in. Yes, okay. We see lower time frames. Maybe we find nice scalping. Yes, why not? Okay, as we can see, this is nice downtrend that price gave us. Yes. Okay, we keep it with the daily time frame, and we may wait the price down here. This is a breakout zone. That price may break, may fake out right here. Okay, so this is the Euro Japanese yen. Another look right here, we can see that maybe the price still on uptrend until he breaks this level right here, so we can say we could trade right here. Yes, this is the Euro Japanese yen setup. Now we go to the Euro Canadian dollar, Eurcad. We see a different setup than the previous pairs. We see there is no okay, on the daily time frame, we could see that the price have this double top right here, or it's maybe a quasi-model. This is a double top. The price did, and he go down, so why not another low? So I spotted this MPL level right here. As you can see, this is our first high and low. Let me make it gray. This is our high and low. The price bounce up. No, okay. Then bounce back down to break this low to a new low. Then go up to break, engulfing this previous high to another high. Then did a nice momentum down. See, this is our MPL level. Let me make it gray so we can spot it later. Okay, as we can see here, and this is our exact MPL. Let me make it gray also. Okay, do we have a quasi-model right here? Not that clear. We have this setup. Let me draw it very fast in case. As we can see, this is this quasi-model level is a bit higher than our MPL area, so I could say this setup is not that strong, maybe a medium setup. Also, we expect another highs and lows right here to this level. Then we think about going short. So as I said, this is not stronger as much the previous pairs. Okay, on the lower time frame, we could see that the price right here make this nice okay, this nice support line, as I call it, and to manipulate the liquidity, I guess. Fake out zone. Okay, no, right here. Let me make it smaller. This is our fake out zone. Do not trade in this zone. Okay, do not trade this zone which the price gets in. Right now we could see our first support, second, another one here, another respected here, and he engulfed to this MPL, yes, to this MPL level. As we can see, we have this price go up in here, down to here, another high to here, and another low to this one. So this is our MPL. Let me change the color, and a nice place to trade in. Actually, it's nice scalping, maybe from here to this level right here. Okay guys, this is a nice scalping. I will maybe go in, since we have a nice MPL and we have a nice support level here. Yes, so why not? On the euro Canadian dollar we get some points from here to here. 50 points will be good as a scalping. So we have other possibility that price going down this area. So we have our stop loss 15 points. Okay, let me draw it with red. Let me draw it red. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit, which is a nice ratio. Let me do it, yes, like that. So I will take this trade, and I will put the result in the next video, so stay tuned. Again, subscribe the channel to see all new a new learning video, a new basic video on the forex market, the crypto market, and the stock market, and of course a new strategy of trading. Thank you guys, see you on the next video.